What's up, it's Ike Pause, and today I'm going to show you how to make multiple KDP books quickly with the same images and assets you've been using, okay? So you can make multiple books. Let's say, for example, in this example, we're going to be using an animal safari image bundle. You can make multiple books with that, okay? This is without any design skills, without a website, and without very much time at all. Now I'm creating this guide today because I got some interesting questions about, purchasing a bundle or getting a bundle off of Fiverr or something. And, a lot of these people asking me, well, I can just create one book with that. And I'm like, no, you can create multiple books with that. That's the important part here. Make sure to like and subscribe to get more videos, tutorials, and guides like this one. And watch until the very end to get my free images, niche, and how-to details, okay? And this is kind of a continuation of a video I made recently. If you haven't watched it, check out the link below. I'll have the how-to video on how to make an animal KDP coloring book. I also have assets here you can use for free, full usage rights, okay? I also have the complete animal safari bundle here, and also the tool I use to put them together. But I urge you to stay until the very end because I'm going to be dropping some amazing niches here, okay? Okay, so check this out. Here I am on BookBolt, and this is pretty interesting, okay? Animal fart coloring book gets over 500 search, almost 600 searches a month. And if I go to Amazon right quick and I have animal fart coloring book, I click the search button here, you can see there's only 1,000 results. That's really low competition, okay? That's really low competition. Now, if I go to my Canva here, I already have a ton of, I already created a book around animal safari, right? All I gotta do to make this a fart book, okay, is take this image of wind. Okay, you can see this image of wind and just add it to my pictures. Add it to my coloring book. It's that simple. Okay, so I got Safari Jake farting. Okay, and I position it to the back. Okay, actually I can duplicate that fart. And if you're grossed out, forgive me, but this is what people want to buy, right? One of the best things I ever learned is just create what people want, no more, no less. So we have Safari Jane farting, passing gas. Let's click this button here. Remember, when you're adding images, make sure you stick to the purple pinkish rectangle here. You see this purple pinkish rectangle? You want to stick to that because it's a nice little indicator of where the KDP trim is, right? You don't want to get your book cut off and resulting in negative reviews. I already added a fart here, actually, if you can see it here at the bottom. I'm gonna take this fart and give it to this orangutan. Okay, I'm gonna flip it around. I don't know if you can see that fart. I'm gonna bring it up. You see that? And just lay it over. Okay, lay it over his backside there, just like that. And I can go on and show you, but I think you get the idea. And that's how you create a fart animal book out of a book that you already created, right? I created a safari animal book, coloring book. Now I'm creating a fart one, okay? And I'm gonna show you another amazing niche. I'm kind of hesitant, but I'm gonna do it anyways, okay? So, oh, by the way, if you want to get this fart image, you just go to Pixabay. Pixabay right here. Just put in wind. You don't put in fart, you put in wind. Okay, really important. You put in wind and you search illustrations and you search color, you go black and white. And somewhere here you'll find a ton of wind illustrations that you can use. Okay, actually I use this little picture right here, but I cut this in half and I got rid of this this bearded man and just kept the wind part. That's how I created this little wind illustration here. Okay, on to the next niche. This is an amazing niche. Again, I'm very hesitant to show you, and also stay till the very end. The details are so important. The details make or break a book, so watch this tutorial until the end, and don't forget to pick up my assets down here, okay, in the link below, and watch this video also to the very end. Okay, the next one, I don't know, I can't believe I'm giving this up, but here you go. Noah's Ark coloring book. I go to Amazon, put that in there, click the magnifying icon under the books department, and only 199 results. Okay, this is extremely low competition. And Noah's Ark coloring book, again, over 500 searches a month. And you know, this keyword is not being served as well as it could be. Okay, there are many Bible orientated books, coloring books, but very few focusing in on Noah. Okay, so there is an amazing niche. Can't believe I'm giving it up. I hope you enjoy it. Let me show you how to create this, right? Again, go to Pixabay, find an ark, find an old man to be your Noah. I didn't look for Noah, I looked for old man. Old man, and again, you want to make sure it's an illustration, and you want to make sure it's a black and white image, because if you're doing any KDP, you want black and white, and just look for the best old man for you. Okay, it's, you know, you have to look around, but I'm sure you can find an old man. Okay, so check this out. Back to my interior for this coloring book. I'm gonna get rid of Jake. I'm gonna get rid of, actually, I'm gonna keep this and put in Noah at the top here, and I'm gonna add this guy right here and drop him in just like that, and I want to expand them until I hit that purple pinkish rectangle, and I'm gonna give him some eyes. Okay, so let's shrink that down. Let's go to elements, let's go to dots. Okay, you gotta think outside the box sometimes to create what you want to create. Okay, this is free. I'm gonna shrink that down, crop it, crop this image so that I just have one dot. Done. Shrink it down, move it over up here, double it, move it over up here. Boom, we got Noah. Okay, and then all you got to do, check this out, is double the images. Okay, double the images, shrink it down, get rid of that fart. Shrink it down, double it, right? Two of every kind, right? That's how the myth goes, and so forth, right? That's how you create a Noah coloring book. How do you create a fart book? There's also a poop niche. There's also a counting, kids book for counting. You forget Noah for a second. You can create, like, put 3 cheetahs here. You can put 7 orangutans here, 8 scorpions here. You understand, right? There's 1,000 things, and maybe not 1,000, but a good 20 or so books I can create using this one bundle. Okay. So again, I urge you to check out the link below. Watch this video to the fullest. Get the free assets. Check out the Safari elements here if you want to get full usage rights, and get the tool I use to put my books together. Okay, be good. Take care. Hope you like this video. Like and subscribe. Support the channel. Get more tutorials like these, and see you next time. Be good, take care, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.